There's no denying it, glass extensions are a great addition to any home. In fact, few building materials can transform spaces, highlight features, and even change our mood in the same way that glass can. But rarely do people truly understand the benefits that modern glass technology can actually offer.
Today we're in the heart of the Cotswolds and I've come to this beautiful old listed coach house where I'm going to meet Karen Bell, an architect and designer from the award-winning company David Salisbury.
Based in Chelsea, David Salisbury are a leading specialist in bespoke glass extensions, and it was Karen who took the lead on this project here in Oxfordshire.
And so, when it comes to designing a glass extension like this one, what are the things that you take into consideration?
One of the key considerations is understanding what the client wants to use the space for. So in this particular case, the client wanted a light, an airy, entertaining space and a space that they could enjoy the views of the garden.
And when it comes to building a glass extension, by its very nature, it involves a lot of glass. Now, there's many different types of glass, isn't there? What are the considerations when it comes to picking that right type of glass?
Well, what we always try and do is ensure that the room can be used all year round. One of the key things is making sure that the room doesn't get too hot. So what we would look to do is use a solar control glass.
Right,
so
okay.
It's the glass that would be in the lantern or the roof that would reduce the amount of heat that transfers through. We'd also think about the cleanliness of the glass. So if it's a setting like this with lots of trees, we consider using an active glass or a self-cleaning glass. And then the last key consideration is acoustics. So in this particular setting, we've got an airfield just down the road. So it was important to use acoustic glass to cut down on the noise levels from outside.
It's clear to me that glass is so much more than just something you look through. So I'm off to speak to someone at the forefront of glass technology at the NSG Group European Technology Centre near Ormskirk, Lancashire. And what goes on here is a closely guarded secret. NSG is the parent company of Pilkington, a truly global brand. And it's the sole aim of people that work at this facility to keep this company best in glass. Today, we've been given special permission to film with Kevin Sanderson, Head of Innovation and the man responsible for Pilkington Activ self-cleaning glass.
So what actually goes on here then?
Architects and sort of home designers are coming up with new and innovative use of glass all the time. Our job here at the Innovation Centre is to make sure our glass technology stays at the forefront.
And clearly you have innovation at your heart, because if I'm right, I think you were part of the original team that developed Pilkington Activ self-cleaning glass.
Pilkington Activ development 15 years ago was just the start. Since then, we've actually put it onto blue glass. Blue glass is important because it actually improves the aesthetics and also sort of provides some solar control performance. We've gone one stage further. We now have Pilkington Activ combined on one piece of glass with a second coating. That second coating provides enhanced solar control performance so that it improves the comfort and the usability of glass sort of extensions and things like that.
So there you have it. There's a number of factors to consider when it comes to selecting the right material for your very own bespoke glass extension, be that thermal, solar, insulation, and even soundproofing. But for me, one product which has certainly stood the test of time has got to be Pilkington Activ. So until next time, it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.